Good morning everybody. Welcome to week 2. This week, in addition to working on what we worked on last week, we're also going to be reviewing rate of change, which is slope, the equation that kind of goes with it. It's really important as you move into Algebra 1 to remember this stuff. So quick review here. Alright, so rate of change, that's the same as slope. Okay. Initial value, that is the same as the y-intercept. These are the terms that I know you guys are more familiar with, slope and y-intercept. So remember, I actually think rate of change is easier to remember and initial value are easier to remember as far as just how they're worded. So rate of change is the thing with the variable. Something with the variable is going to change. It's going to be multiplied. So your rate of change here, or slope, is 3. Okay? If there was a negative here, we'd have a negative 3. All right? In this case, our initial value, or our y-intercept, is negative 2. Since there's a minus in front of it, we're going to include that. All right. So initial value is negative 2, which is the same as the y. Okay. The actual definition of rate of change or slope is just this. It's just the change in your y values over the change in your x values. So basically, what they're saying is they're going to give you two values, and you need to find how much they're going to change. So I've got two sets of coordinates here. Okay. We have 3, 7, 5, 11. Okay. And it says change in y. Well, I've already labeled them x and y. I tend to forget sometimes. So, and this is just a trick. There's a really complicated formula, kind of stupid looking. I don't deal with it. I'm just going to do this. All right, change in y. All right, how am I changing? I'm going from 7 to 11. Well, first thing I'm going to ask is, did I go up or down? Well, if you go from 7 to 11, you're going up. So that means our change is going to be a positive. And then we have changed by 4. So we'll write 4. Now we got our change in x. That would be 2. Because again, we've gone from 3 to 5. We've gone up, and we've gone up 2. And 4 over 2, we would always simplify, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, now here's the other thing. Had you gone the other way, had our arrows gone this way, they both would have been negative, and negative divided by negative would still be a positive. Okay, so it really doesn't matter which way you go. Just remember to think, am I going up or down? Okay, so if you want to pause the video real quick, and you can try this problem on your own. Okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead and finish it right now, but you've paused it. Okay, so again, x and y, change in y. So change in y, we're going from 9 to 5. Okay, that's actually going down, so I know it's going to be a negative. So from 9 to 5 is down 4. And then from 4 to 6 is, actually, I'm going to change this. No, never mind. 4 to 6 is 2. And again, negative 4 divided by 2 would be negative 2. Okay? Yeah, the reason I was going to change something is because I just realized that they're both the same answer, but it really doesn't matter. I mean, one's negative, one's positive. Obviously, you're going to get different numbers depending on the problem. All right.